In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with your WordPress website. This integration is a fantastic way to grow and manage your email subscriptions, all while staying connected with your audience. Let's dive in. To kick things off, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your website, where you'll find everything from posts to plugins. Familiarizing yourself with this area will be incredibly beneficial if you plan on expanding your site in the future. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate over to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Hover over or click on plugins and a sub-menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select Add New. It's here that you can search for the tools and functionalities you want to incorporate into your site. Now, in the search bar on the right, type in Mailchimp for WordPress plugin. This is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to integrate Mailchimp services into their WordPress site. Once you've found it, and it should pop up first on the list of results, click Install. Wait for it to install, then be sure to hit Activate. Activating the plugin makes it live and functional on your site. Next, we'll need to retrieve an API key from Mailchimp to connect everything seamlessly. Log into your Mailchimp account and head to the Account section. From there, navigate to Extras and select API keys. If you haven't created an API key yet, you'll see an option to do so here. Follow the instructions to create a new API key. Once you have it, copy this key. It will act as a bridge between Mailchimp and WordPress. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and locate the newly installed Mailchimp plugin. Here you'll find the settings area where you can paste your API key. Take a moment to double check that the key has been entered correctly. This ensures that the two platforms can communicate without any issues. After you've connected your API key, the next step is to associate your Mailchimp audience. In the plugin settings, you should see options to connect your Mailchimp audience lists. Select the audience you'd like to link with your WordPress site to manage your subscribers effectively. Finally, you can start adding sign-up forms to your site. The Mailchimp plugin offers multiple options for this. You can use the plugin's widgets to add forms to different areas of your website, such as your sidebar or footer. Alternatively, you may prefer using shortcodes to place forms exactly where you need them, within posts or pages. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've integrated Mailchimp with your WordPress site, setting the stage for effective communication with your audience. Start building those email lists and engaging with your visitors in a meaningful way. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.